Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's evening show. Alright, so Paul Messing ahead of the match we won't play tonight against PSV. So Babakar doesn't make Arteta drop Merino and make him play Sterling as false nine against PSV. Say no one see Merino, make Arteta no play any Merino, no one see anything like that. God for Messi shares who must start up front for Arsenal against PSV as he predicts Champions League tie winner. He gets. So Baba say in the back Arsenal to beat PSV as he calls for Sterling to start up front. And when you check what they happen with PSV, they don't lose form. Gone. They still lose again. You get now before they 5 points behind the Ajax. Now they don't 8 points behind Ajax. So you see they drop points like mad. You get that's why Ivan Perisic come as I talk say they know they play for themselves, they know they inform. Like well, this one a Champions League. You get so me, I don't run go look at their team. Make I see how like who they go put out. So I know really they get good wingers. So they get two good wingers and one of the one tall guy and look the junk. You get. Apart from that, I don't really see anybody that's spectacular. But we'll just see how things go unfold. I think it's the same story. Mikel Arteta begs and Paul Merson begs Arteta to drop Merino. So you know what the guy. I don't know what Merino do because Baba talk plenty he gets. But it is what it is. Let's move on to other stories. Now, Fabrizio Romano again when they drop this message. You guys say my United fans are planning a major anti-Glazer protest match before Sunday's game. You see this Sunday. Sunday go catch fire, you get. But more just watch. I just pray say all these protests that they protest make it affect Manchester United. More go there, collect our maximum point because we still get stake for Champions League. We are chasing the Champions League. Now, what are the grievances of the United fans? Look at the third paragraph. They say the club is slowly dying before our eyes on and off the pitch, and the blame lies squarely at the current ownership model, confirmed 1958 protest group spokesman Steve Crompton. Well, we'll see how Sunday will be now. Yeah, right. Based on wetin Pep just talk not too long ago, you know say Pep bin dey talk about this ball wey dem use for the FA Cup, say the ball no make sense. So like the same thing wey I talk say shebi Arteta make that complaint and people were talking about it. He himself come get im own observation. Say now wey be say Pep don talk this thing, did you notice that nobody really call Pep out? Nobody really said anything. But when Arteta said this same complaint, he was mocked by rival fans and pundits, even Newcastle social media team, the admin, they follow mock Arteta. Yes. Even the Carabao Cup themselves, they use their social media page, mock Arteta and Arsenal. But look at, nobody saying anything. When Pep don't talk, this same complaint, you get. So I don't just know because Rice has left to Arteta's defense on social media, questioning why the Man City's boss hasn't been as heavily scrutinized as Arteta was. Because he was talking to us, using his Instagram story to make his grievances known. Because the Arsenal legend wrote, they ridiculed Mikel Arteta for saying this months ago. Can you imagine? But that's what life be. It gets. Personally, they don't like, we see they don't like her. No anything talk, they don't go agree. So that's what it be. Now, Arsenal sporting director search Tomoto Rosicky, message sent amid Andrea Berta. So Jeremy Aladire will be one of the former Arsenal players. So now you got to talk. So when you look at Edu Gaspar, you go to look at Rosicky at the same thing. Say it's the same mold, same personality, great technician. Again, he reads the game really well. It's not a surprise that he's been linked to coming back to the club. Obviously, he's got history with the club, so I'm sure the fans would love to see him back because in they decide to, if they say make him choose between Berta and Rosicky, who he go choose. Now, on the other hand, Andrea Berta, the former Atletico Madrid director, he's proven as a sporting director. He's done an absolutely fantastic job at Atletico Madrid. It's a 50-50 where my heart is saying Thomas Rosicky because I've played with him and I know him well. But on the other hand, in terms of experience, Berta has got great contact with the top players. That great contact, when I bust my brain. because with the kind number of deals so this man don't do for in history, for in career, it shows him sabi this business going on. Because a majority of people inside, they became world beaters, world stars. You get a majority of people inside. I would say maybe just they very, very happy. All right, away from that, so Bayern Munich, the come and talk say they want to reduce the price of Kingsley Coman because I don't say now winger say many people would like to sign. His contract is supposed to expire 2027. So Bayern Munich they're open to sell the guy at a reduced cost, a reduced fee. You get now, like I said, his contract will expire 2027. So the club wants to cash in on him this summer because they don't want the situation whereby he go turn to the new Joshua Kimmich when they go on sign contract extension. So they go accept as little as 35 million euros, which is about 29 million pounds for his services, because at the end of the season, Vincent's company also wants to rebuild the club. You see, at the somehow say I will tell wrap up the show quickly because by 9 p.m. or thereabouts, our match don't start with PSV, so we need to open the studios by 8:40 p.m. So things need to go quick and fast. Now, Julian Timber, they won Arsenal over one person when you feel say that guy na cheat for PSV. That guy na cheat, yes. And at that look, the Jong, say that guy did very, very tall. If he compete for header, he had to win header against him. And if let's say Europa League, where they beat us, whether not 2-0 or 2-1, that guy was instrumental to our loss. That guy tall ever. It's a big jump, you get. So Timber based on say himself now from Holland now, and then themselves now the visit they play. So in the one or seven they weary of that guy. And apart from that, you could have mentioned like him now. If he play Ben White wing now, he go face Noah Lang. And Noah Lang, once upon a time, when Arsenal be they look the guy say they won't even sign. And the guy is very, very fast and pacey. So him the one or say him now go face Noah Lang. They go fight everything out because Julian Timber has won his Arsenal teammates about cheats PSV striker Luke de Jong. Arsenal are taking PSV today. That's tonight. Get now him now go face Noah Lang. So people gonna ask, okay, for Calafiori side, who go come play there? Is it going to be Calafiori or is it going to be Matthew Skelly? And do you know who will play there? Bakayoko. If you don't remember the guy, that guy will lick Jacob Kivior like a pot of soup one time like that for European competition. So that same guy, very, very fast, very, very fast, direct and pacey, is going to be the one handling either Calafiori or Timber or Luis Skelly. Calafiori no fit hold that guy. Because why? Calafiori no get pace. No be hot, although I want finish Calafiori. So let me try again. So I no go mind when they bring in our man to Skelly, bring him back. Me self, me try. We'll see. Waiting at the match will be get. Look at what Timber said. Me versus Noah Lang. It's a key battle in the Champions League. He's always dangerous and he always creates a lot for PSG. Now they put in the crosses for Luke de Jong. Look at the first paragraph. With Luke de Jong up front, they almost have some kind of cheat code with headers. So if you think maybe now Arsenal Sabi cross and not today, now the battle of the crosses. Now you go see today, PSV will run their own crosses for Luke de Jong. We who won't run and give. Shena Merino, I'll be Calafiori go play first night today. Like I never really know the style. But I think I want deploy and to say the lineup because even Sky Sports reporter they talk about say I thought I will drop Calafiori. Although when you read the entirety of the report, they don't talk about say maybe that they fear Bakayoko. But me, I don't know say that Bakayoko na one big factor, especially when the guy today fresh. If the guy don't play like 60-70 minutes ahead, you can't bring Calafiori. Okay, you go say okay, the guy don't tire small because you know would be very, very easy for Calafiori. So more just watch and see how things unfold at the end of the day. All right, let's begin message from one of our sponsors, Bobby World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. Also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 646 42234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, number first Paul Messin, who is an Arsenal legend, he talks to make Arteta drop Merino and play Sterling as a false 9 against PSV. All right, guys, so we'll go prepare for the pre-match analysis, or we'll open the studios anytime from now. So till then, let's call the show an end. So it's like come your way later tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. All right, guys. Ciao. I'll be back.